In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto sell on ETrade. We're going to use a trailing stop order, which automatically follows your stock as it rises and triggers a sell if it pulls back by the amount you choose. This is a helpful way to protect gains or limit losses without watching the screen all day. First, log into your ETrade account on the website or app. Make sure you're in the correct brokerage account if you have more than one, and that you actually hold the shares you want to set the auto sell on. A stable connection helps avoid errors while you set the order. Next, go to the trade section to open the order ticket. If you're on mobile, look for the trade icon. On desktop, it's typically at the top navigation bar. You'll see fields for symbol, action, quantity, and order type. Select your stock by entering its ticker, like AAPL or TSLA. Double-check the symbol and current price to confirm you're on the right security. It's also a good time to note how many shares you own so you can choose the right quantity later. Click Sell as your action. By default, ETrade may show a market or limit order. We're going to change that. Change the order type to either trailing stop dollars or trailing stop %. Trailing stop % tracks the stock using a percentage below its highest price after you place the order. Trailing stop dash uses a fixed dollar amount below the high. Percentage is handy when you want the trail to scale with price. Dollar is straightforward if you know the exact cushion you want. Set your trail amount. For example, you might choose 5% or $5 below the price. A tighter trail, like 3%, can lock in profits quickly but risks triggering on normal volatility. A wider trail, like 8% or a larger dollar amount, gives the stock more room to fluctuate. Remember, when the trail is hit, the order becomes a market sell. So in fast-moving markets, your fill could be different from the trigger level. Choose your shares. You can sell all your shares or just a portion. Make sure the quantity matches your plan and your available shares. Click Preview. ETrade will display a summary of your order, including the stock, quantity, and how your trailing stop is set. Review everything carefully, including the account, the order type, and the trail amount. If the summary looks right, you're on track. Keep in mind that trailing stops can trigger during volatile moves and are not guaranteed against gaps. Monitor your positions as needed and adjust your trail amount over time if your strategy changes.